In this part, I'm going to build the About page. Just like before, I will quickly put together and style the content, and I will stop to explain interesting or unique parts along the way, the stuff that's really worth pointing out. Let's get started. I'm adding another wrap, and once again, I will use a grid layout here. According to our design, this wrap is supposed to overlap with the section above it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do now. With just a few positioning tweaks, I will achieve that overlapping effect and give the layout some nice visual depth. Now, looking back at the hero section, I feel like it's still a bit too empty. So here's what I can do. Let's jump over to the homepage, where I already have a wrap that would work perfectly here. I will save it as a global wrap. Then return to the About page and simply insert it from the Global Wraps panel. Quick and efficient. That's the power of reusability. Alright, let's save everything and move on to the next part.